Namaste yogis! My name is Maxine. This is the second day of our Chakra Awakening course, and the second chakra is our Sacral Chakra. In English this means the Sacral Chakra, and it has the color of orange and the element is water. Our Sacral Chakra is home to our emotions, our well-being and vitality. So to open this chakra we can connect back with the water element, like taking a swim in the sea or in a pool, but also to open this chakra we let our emotions flow like water. We let them come and we let them go, and we don't try to suppress or to overreact any of them. To open this chakra with yoga, we do a hip opening yoga flow where we stretch and contract the hip muscles, and we try to move like water to stay in the element. The next class is of course a beginner course, so you don't have to worry. Keep an open mind. We are going to move slowly. I'm going to explain every step. Just try to have fun, and I hope to see you soon. Hello beautiful yogis, welcome to this Sacral Chakra beginner course. Let's get seated down on your yoga mat and let's try to relax your facial muscles, your jaw, your shoulders. Close your eyes and focus on the breathing. Let's try to ground ourselves in the here and the now. And let's take some moments to adjust. Let's take an awakening breath in and out the nose. And let's start this beautiful sequence in neutral tabletop. So our hands underneath the shoulders, knees underneath the hips. And we will start up with warming up our body. So on the inhale we lift the left leg up with our knee bent in a 90-degree angle. And we lift it as high as possible without bending our own arms or moving our position. And on the exhale back down. Inhale up, exhale down, inhale up, exhale down, inhale up, exhale down, inhale up, exhale down. And let's do the other side. So on the inhale we lift the right leg up, and on the exhale back down. Inhale up, exhale down, inhale up, exhale down, inhale up, exhale down, inhale up, exhale down, and up and back down. And on the inhale let's come all the way up. And let's take a wide-legged forward fold, so you take your feet as wide as you like. Let's find a stable position, make sure your feet are grounded. And on the inhale we lift the arms up to the sky, and on the exhale we gently fold forward. You can clasp the elbows or you can put your hands on the yoga mat for more stability. Connect back with your breathing and try to relax your shoulders and neck. You can sway from side to side to release any tension. And on the inhale we lift right back up to the sky, lift the arms, and big exhale back out. Next we are coming into a goddess pose, so you can take your toes pointing towards the short side of the mat and keep your feet as parallel to the long side of the mat as you can, and on the exhale you sink down towards the yoga mat. You can take your hands in prayers or just take your hands on the knees, and on the inhale we come back up, and on the exhale we go sit back down. Try to keep your back straight without pointing your booty to the back of the mat, and on the inhale we come back up. Beautiful posture. And on the inhale we lift the arms back up, and on the exhale we take a wide-legged forward fold again. Try to relax the neck, and on the inhale we clasp the hands on the back of our body. We try to straighten the elbows and take a really nice shoulder opening. And on the inhale, gently come back up. And big exhale back out. On the inhale, we come to the front of the mat and we will take a sun salutation. So on the inhale, we lift the arms up to the sky. And on the exhale, we come into a forward fold. On the inhale, we take a halfway lift. Exhale, hands on the floor, step back into your plank pose. Exhale into a push-up, and right before you touch the floor, you come back up into a upward facing dog. And on the exhale, we come into a downward facing dog. Check if you are properly aligned in this downward facing dog. Keep your belly towards the thighs. Keep opening those shoulders, and on the inhale we lift the right leg up to the sky, and on the exhale we bring it to the front of the mat and we plant it to the right side of our right hand. We keep the back leg activated and strong, and we look forward to us, and we try to stay focused in this position and just focus on your breathing. This is a really nice and active hip opening pose. If you want to intensify, you can put the back knee down on the yoga mat. If this is uncomfortable, you can just keep your leg up. On the next inhale, we come back into a plank pose, and let's take again a push-up. Right before you touch the floor, come into a upward facing dog. And on the exhale, we come into a downward facing dog. Again, you can keep the knees bent here. Put your belly against your thighs if you can. And on the inhale, we lift the left leg up. And on the exhale, bring it to the front of the mat. And we plant it on the left side of our left hand. Same as last time, we keep the back knee activated and strong. We look ahead of us and we stay active in this position and focus on our own breathing. Stay focused on your breathing, yogis. And to intensify this posture, you can put the back knee down on the yoga mat. This is a really deep hip opening posture. And on the next exhale, we come back into a plank pose. And we do a push-up towards the floor and take an upward facing dog. And on the exhale, we take a downward facing dog. And on your next exhale, let's gently come up towards the floor and let's come into a seated position. Our next position will be a diamond pose. So you can put your feet together in front of you. You can grab a hold of your feet with your hands, and on the inhale we puff up the chest, keep the back straight and pull your knees towards the floor. Focus on your breathing. Follow your own breathing rhythm. On the next inhale, we release our hands and we put our feet a little bit further away from us, and then we take our arms underneath the shins, grab a hold of our feet again, and let's try to fold over our legs. If you can't fold this deeply, who cares? Just try to enjoy this posture and just focus on your breathing. On the next inhale, we come all the way up. And we will put our right leg underneath our left knee. And we keep our left knee pointing right in front of us. The way we put our right feet over our left knee is just all the way up to you. If you are still really tight in the hips, it will look a little bit wider than what I am doing. No worries about that, just try to relax. Don't try to overstep any boundaries, just try to relax. And if you're in pain, you are probably going too far. Only focus on the breathing. You are doing amazing. And let's come up out of this posture and let's do the other side. So keep your right knee pointing in front of you. Take your left feet and put it over the right knee. And try to breathe in this nice hip opening posture. Try to relax any muscles that aren't necessary in this pose. Relax the shoulders and your facial muscles. On the next exhale, we release the posture and you can come down, lie on your back for our final resting pose, which is Savasana. We will take a slight modification here to open our sacral chakra, and this is with our legs in diamond pose. So our feet will be touching each other and we will open up the hips and try to relax with your palms on the floor, or you could be supporting your knees. Try to take some big breaths in and out the nose. Feel this amazing energy that you just created on the yoga mat with me. Try to let go of anything that is not necessary here on the yoga mat. It's only you and your breathing. Is the only thing that matters right now is you and your breathing. Try to release any tension that is still stuck in your body. And let's keep in mind that we are open towards empathy, vitality, and all these beautiful properties of our sacral chakra. On the inhale, we will close our legs back up, and you can bring them towards the chest and roll up into a nice little ball. Give yourself a big hug. And on the exhale, we can roll back up. Keep your eyes closed if you can, and let's come up into a seated position. Take a nice big breath in and out the nose. Feel how calm and serene your body feels. Let's take another big breath in and out the nose. And let's open those beautiful eyes to the rest of our day. Thank you so much for joining me here on the yoga mats with me today. I hope you really enjoyed, and see you next time.